Hey guys, we received this old home kitchen talking atomic silver stretch watch. It's a watch which can talk the time. So this is also good for people who cannot see. You can just press the button and it will read the time to you. This comes in this protective packing. It's a loud, clear talking wrist watch with the large numbers, stainless steel watch and the silver stretch band so that can be easily wear. So the watch looks good.
The time is 10:37 a.m.
And you can hear the how loud is the voice and you can easily press the button, it will read. You can adjust the watch with a different time zone, and once you set up the watch with a different time zone, the watch will set up the time automatically. You can also set up the time manually, alarm, and any other things. So this is a really nice watch with the alarm, and it also announce time and date. And yeah, this can be used by both men
Set.
and women. So this is really nice.
Alarm on off. Press 10 clock button to set.
So you can easily see that how
Time
looks
off.
really
Time
lightweight and
zone setting.
fine,
Press 10 clock
and
button to
adjust the time
set.
and the zone.
Press 2 clock button to set. USA Mountain. USA Central. USA Eastern.
So
Confirm
this is a really nice
EST.
watch, I will say, and you can see like it start automatically adjusting the time to the EST timing, and then this is a stretch band, so you can easily wear it, and that is easy, and it really comes on the hand and looks really nice. So the overall, I think this is a really nice watch with a stretch band, talking time and date, alarm, automatically setting and adjusting the time with the zone, and a really nice looking watch.